I'm going to answer the number one question I get asked on social media, and I bet my life savings that you can't guess what it is. Are you ready? Here it is. What curling iron do you use? Yeah, that's it. I'm a business and marketing strategist, a renowned photographer, CEO of a successful tech company with a top-rated business podcast, and my number one question has nothing to do with my business. But you want to know what? I'm not complaining, because engagement is engagement. Comments, DMs, shares, saves are all very valuable to my brand and my social media presence. And I know that having conversations about my curling iron may not move the needle in my business today, but it builds trust to move the needle tomorrow. Because conversations like these, well, they lead to trust, and then trust leads to sales. So when someone asks me like the barrel size of a curling iron or what curling iron they should buy, I don't complain. I am not sitting there pouting. I don't sit in a corner and say, no one understands my purpose. What's my business about? Like, not at all. Instead, I tell them I use a 1.5 inch size barrel from a T3 curling iron. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna segment my hair into 4 equal sections. And then each of those sections, I'm gonna be spraying with sexy big hair spray and play as I go. And just saying the name of that hairspray makes me feel so awkward. And then I curl my bangs last. So once my hair is cooled, I comb through it with my fingers, I loosen like those really tight ringlets, and then I spray my hair again. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get down to business. I answer people's questions to build a connection with them on a personal level. And then you know what happens? Maybe the next time they see a post that Social Curator is open for enrollment or that I'm hosting a free masterclass, maybe, just maybe, they register for that class or they start a subscription because, hey, we connected before. And because we connected, it built trust. We have a relationship that isn't spammy or sleazy. Now, you guys, this is how I've built my business over the years, by fostering authentic connections around a bunch of different topics, not just business tips. So I am doing this and I'm cultivating these conversations and connections far before even asking for the sale. So what does this mean for you? If you're watching this and you've ever felt bummed that the conversations you're having on social media have nothing to do with what you're selling, like, hey, do you notice that the most engagement you get is when you take a selfie or when you're with your kids or out walking the dog and you're like, what's up with that? I want you to know that engagement, all forms of engagement, is really good. This means that you've created a community in which people know, like, and trust you enough to have a personal conversation with you. And that is that's gonna help you go farther in business. So I want you to tell me below, what's the question you get asked most on social media that is not about your business? I can't wait to hear it.